How to join voice chat only server on Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so in today's video, we will be explaining through the process. So for that, you can head over and open up any of the browser available, for example, Chrome or any other browser. And then basically go ahead and search for Volumons and you will be finding this particular link available. Look out for the first link, which is rollimons.com, and open it up on your screen. Now, what you need to do next is once you reach over here, you need to go ahead and look out for the server that you want to join. So for that, from this interface, look out for the three horns lines in the top right. And once you find it up, look out for the games option from the given menu. And once you tap on it, select the option called Game Catalog and open it up on your screen. Now here you may just go ahead and search for your particular game. For example, please donate. So head over and search for that and hit go. And once you find it up, look out for the server that you would like to join. And basically head over and look out for join option for server if there is voice chat available. And once you find it up, and then from there, you may just scroll down from the given options until you reach over to this section right here, a more option, where you will be finding different other options. Look out for places option. And when you go over there, you will be finding the servers available for the particular game that you're looking for. For this one, we have only voice chat one server. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, you can basically follow up the process to join the Roblox. Look out for view on Roblox and follow on the process. And that way you will be able to join the voice chat only server on Roblox. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to do so, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.